Jonathan, how does one open a pocket watch correctly?
Well, I'm going to show you this one because see how black and worn it is? Yeah, we get offered them all the time because they're family pocket watches. Grandad had one, great granddad had one, and there's a perceived value in them. But you can't see what's going on inside, so if it's your grandfather's watch, it just looks like an old black thing. Trick is what you've got to do is...
Do it slowly.
Yeah.
Go on. What you
Show you
do?
the back. Most of them.
So most
have a
people
key.
can open there.
Yeah, because you have to to wind it up with a key.
Yeah.
From there, you can't open it. There's no opening.
Okay, let's have a good solid look at that. No, that is true. So people
Yeah,
find
so it's
these
a
at the
solid
drawer.
back, and that's as far as you can go with it.
Okay.
Okay, so the trick is here at the front, little lip.
Yeah.
So we open it on the lip,
So you open the face.
so you see the face there. There's a tiny little lever that you just press. Can you see that?
Yeah, got it.
You all have this, but you don't notice. If you don't know it's there, you would never know. So it starts to get interesting. So there we go in. Beautiful engraving, but look, you see this spring here? Push that forward, so the little notch has moved to the back.
Do that again, Jonathan. I didn't quite catch that.
There.
Oh, yes, yes.
You've now opened it. And
Oh, the
how
reveal.
lovely is that? I'll gamble most people that have got these have never seen that before.